Course Evaluation Summary Sheet is an optional tool which offers a summary of your quantitative course evaluation data. This tool may be used as part of your teaching dossier, your promotion dossier, or simply to gain a deeper understanding of your course evaluation results. This template is not required. It is a resource designed to help instructors present their course evaluation data effectively. This video will walk through the step-by-step instructions of using this template. Additionally, there is a completed sample summary sheet, which you can always go back to for reference. Step 1. Go to the Fill-in Summary tab. In the upper left corner of the template, replace the placeholder text with your name and department. Step 2. Enter your course information. Please note the grayed out columns will update automatically. Please don't edit the grayed out columns. In column A, enter your course code and section. In column B, enter the semester. Step 3. Enter your response rate information. In column C, enter the number of students invited to complete the evaluation. This number can be found on the table on the second page of your course evaluation report. The information entered in column C will auto-populate the course size information in column G. In column D, enter the number of student responses. Again, you can find this information on the same table on the second page of your course evaluation report. The response rate, RR, in column E, and the analysis of RR threshold in column H will be calculated automatically. Step 4. Enter the ICM, that is the institutional composite mean. In column F, input the ICM value. You can find this in section 3 on the institutional composite mean table. The analysis of the ICM range in column I will be calculated automatically. Step 5. Enter item endorsement rates for institutional items 1 to 6. In columns J to O, enter the item endorsement rates if available. You can find the endorsement rate for each item in section 1 of the course evaluation report. For the course evaluation reports generated before May 2025, you will need to calculate the endorsement rate by adding the percentages of respondents who selected the top 2 positive options. For institutional items 1 to 5, the options are a great deal and mostly. For institutional item 6, the options are excellent and very good. You can find the percentages in section 2 of the previous course evaluation report. Repeat for each institutional item. And then repeat steps 2 to 5 for each additional course you wish to include. To better gain an understanding of the analysis columns, that's column G, course size, column H, response rate met the threshold, and column I, ICM in or above the typical range, please review the summary sheet instructions document for more detailed information. You have now completed entry for the course evaluation summary sheet. This is the minimum recommended structure for presenting your course evaluation data. You may also wish to add department-specific items, instructor-selected formative items, instructor-specific evaluation items, comparative scores, or separate tables for individual items or groups of items. To copy the table to add to a dossier, click on a cell, typically the upper left cell of the table. Drag to the selected portion of the table you wish to include. Use the copy command, right-click within the selected area and choose Copy. Paste the table into a word processor by right-clicking and selecting Paste. If the table does not appear formatted correctly after pasting, consider the following. Paste the table as an image by right-clicking and selecting Paste as Picture under Paste Options, or Paste Special, depending on your version of Word. Adjust the margins on the page to accommodate the table, or reduce the font size within the table for a better fit. Lastly, you can break the table into multiple smaller tables if necessary. If you have any additional questions on the course evaluation summary sheet or course evaluation data, please reach out to CTSI for further assistance.